Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread egg pudding. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients such as stale bread, eggs, milk, and sugar. Next, prepare the bread by tearing it into small, manageable pieces. Finally, whisk together the eggs, milk, and sugar to form a smooth custard mixture. This simple process sets the foundation for a delicious and comforting dessert. Once your bread is ready and the custard is mixed, it's time to combine them. Gently fold the bread pieces into the custard, ensuring every piece is coated. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes, allowing the bread to fully absorb the liquid. Then, pour everything into a greased baking dish. This step ensures your pudding bakes beautifully and evenly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: for all your recipe reading and culinary inspiration, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading cookbooks anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the pudding for approximately 40 to 50 minutes or until it's golden brown and set. To check for doneness, insert a knife into the center. It should come out clean. Serve your warm bread egg pudding with a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.